Hello everyone, greetings of the day. So this is the English version of the video which is already done by Mohan sir in Telugu, and this video is about some valuable information for the students of CA course, and definitely we can expect good times ahead for CA course because of many beneficial student friendly changes that are going to take place in CA course in the coming days. And the first and foremost thing is that earlier the syllabus used to change for every 10 years, but right now it is going to change for every 5 years. Actually, by now the syllabus has to change, but due to the elections in ICAI, the decision has been postponed and now the changes are going to take place. But whenever an ICAI make any changes in the proposed education scheme, definitely it will be open for public comments for at least 30 days, and by taking all the comments from the public, like from parents, from students, from coaching institutions, then the final draft will be issued. And we are expecting that all these things may culminate, and it will be by the end of October the things will be finalized. And there are many changes that are going to be take place, but we are not telling you that these are all the final changes that are definitely going to take place, but these are proposed changes. These may or may not take place, but we are expecting in a positive manner that these changes may take place in the new education scheme of training by ICAI. The first and foremost thing is discussion about CA Foundation. So CA Foundation examinations may be conducted for 4 times in a year in online mode. In online mode means don't think that you can sit back at your home and write the examination, but rather you need to go to the specified center and take the online examination. And the biggest advantage of making online examinations is that the results can be announced very early, within 1 week or 10 days, so that students need not wait for a long time for the results. And the days will come where the examinations will be conducted 6 times a year or 8 times a year, and way forward we can also think of examinations being conducted every day of the year, that is 365 days. Whenever student wants to write the examination, yes, definitely he can take the examination. Of course, it may take some years for all these changes to take place, but definitely there will be one day that these all changes will take place. We are of a positive hope that these all things will take place. And please remember that this is the English version of the video that is done by Mohan sir in Telugu. And another most important thing is in CA Foundation, the weightage will be 400 marks. So 200 marks will be for descriptive and 200 marks will be for MCQs. And in future, there is a chance that it will be 400 marks for MCQs. And whenever we say MCQs, don't be in a wrong notion that the papers will be so easy and the pass percentage at CA Foundation will grow a lot. No. See, whether it is descriptive or MCQs, the standards of the question paper is the most important thing. So the standards will not be diluted. So don't be in a wrong notion that once the paper will be in MCQs, then the question papers become so easy and the pass percentage will increase. No, that will not take place. That all depends on the standards of the question paper. So the question paper standards will never be diluted and the pass percentage remains the same. So this is one very important thing which you have to understand. And the articleship period should be reduced to 2 years, as there is a proposal. Instead of 3 years, the articleship period can be reduced to 2 years. There is a proposal before ICAI, and we are confident that ICAI will strongly consider this. For example, if a student wants to go for practice after completion of chartered accountants, for such kind of students, let the articleship be 3 years, but for remaining students, it can be for 2 years. There is a proposal before ICAI, and many academicians, they are sending their proposals, they are sending their guidances, they are sending their advices to ICAI. And there is another proposal that the articleship, instead of 2 years, for some people, if they want, they can go for 3 years if they want to get into practice. And there is another proposal that instead of 2 groups in CA final, let there be 3 groups. So in group 1 there will be 3 subjects, group 2 3 subjects, and group 3 3 subjects. After completion of first year of articleship, let the student write group 1. After completion of second year of articleship, let the student write group 2, and after completion of third year of articleship, let the student write third group, so that it will be a more comfortable thing and it will be a more happy thing for the students, so that they can easily qualify chartered accountancy by doing articleship without any stress and strain. This is one of the proposal before ICAI, and we are hopeful that these changes may take place. And coming to the stipend, yes, the stipend has to be made 3 times in the major cities and at least double in the remaining part of the country and in the remaining places. And there is another proposal regarding the cutoff marks for CA final basing on All India first ranker. For example, if All India first ranker gets 700 marks, let us assume, so then the cutoff should be 350 marks, 50% of the All India first ranker. And if depending on the standards of the question paper, if the All India first ranker got 600 marks, then let the cutoff be 300 marks, which is 50% of that. This is one proposal before ICAI. And one more time, I am just telling you that this is the English version of the video, which is already done by Mohan sir in Telugu. And we are looking forward for many other changes also that they have to take place in CA course. So if all these changes takes place in CA course, definitely there will be good times for CA course. The number of admissions will increase and the number of chartered accountants that gets qualified will also increase. See, our country requires lot of chartered accountants, not normal accountants, chartered accountants, not normal auditors but chartered accountants. So definitely our country requires many chartered accountants. There are a lot of opportunities for chartered accountancy course, and these proposed changes definitely will bring lot of beneficial features to the course of CA, and it will encourage many students to pursue CA course. Not only the students, it will encourage many institutions which have closed earlier due to some of the changes in CA course where the admissions have drastically come down during last 3 or 4 years, but slowly the admissions are picking up right now because of some of the major changes that are taking place in ICAI. And we are very happy that ICAI is making some drastic changes in the new scheme of education and training, which definitely increases the admissions for the course, and there is a chance that many new institutions also come into the field who left earlier because of some of the decisions taken by ICAI. So all those institutions again they come back, and the admissions will be very good. So definitely all these proposed changes which may take place within a short span of time will definitely bring good times to the course of chartered accountancy. And at Masterminds, we are very much committed to CA and CMA courses. Even at tough times, we have never taken back. We have worked very hard because we are committed to the course. We like CA and CMA courses very much. That is the reason we have never looked into other courses to start even at tough times in CA and CMA courses, because that is our commitment we always want to show towards CA and CMA courses. So definitely expecting a very good time ahead for CA and CMA courses. If you have any queries, you can drop a mail to msnmohan2013@gmail.com. Thank you.